Hello students, we have already discussed about the calculating national income through two methods, that is product method or value added method and income method. Today we will discuss about the third method of calculating national income, that is expenditure method. This method is also known as consumption and disposable income method, in which we calculate the value of final goods and services on which we have expended in the accounting year the whole income by the economy. Number one, while calculating national income through expenditure method, we start from GDP at MP, that is national income is equal to GDP at MP minus NIT minus depreciation plus NFIA equal to NNP at FC, that is national income. These are the basic concepts of expenditure method. Let us consider the components of final expenditure. What items should be considered under the components of final expenditure? Number one, private final consumption expenditure or personal consumption expenditure. Number two, government final expenditure or government expenditure on goods and services. And number three, final investment expenditure or gross domestic capital expenditure. And number four, net exports, that is export minus import. Let us consider one by one what items should be considered under the heading of final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure. Under this item, we have to include the consumption made by the households during a year and consumption expenditure made by the non-profit seeking institutions in a particular year. Second point, that is government final consumption expenditure. Under this heading, we will consider the expenditure incurred by the government on providing the free services to the people in the country. The third item is gross domestic capital formation. Under this heading, we consider the expenditures incurred for acquiring the various goods and services by the producing units further in the economy. In this heading, two components are present, that is gross fixed capital formation and change in stocks. Now the fourth point, that is net exports. Net exports means the total export made during an accounting year from the country, and it is deducted from the total exports the total imports made from the abroad in the country during an accounting year. This is called net exports, that is total exports minus total imports equal to net exports. This expenditure method. To conclude, we can say that all these four items together combine to get the national income through expenditure method. Rest today we will discuss. Next day will be the steps for calculating expenditure method. We will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.